Okay. We have India's most well-respected international umpires, Anil Chaudhary. Welcome.
कैसे हैं जी आप? ठीक है.
So you have officiated at the highest level of cricket across all formats. So what has been the biggest challenge in being an umpire in today's fast-paced game?
I think technology is they're using, and I think the real challenge for umpires nowadays is to maintain the pace of play. Other things are like DRS is taking care of most of the time, but pushing players, especially when due is there, and then you have to clean the ball also. So I think pushing players and fitness, because lot of shots, innovative batting, reverse sweep, this shot, that shot, horizontal shot. So I think looking at the ball and following all the movements is a real change. I think every umpire should be very fit in modern cricket.
With technology like DRS and third umpire calls, how has your role and pressure on the field of umpires changed over the years?
I think pressure is less now. It is accepted by everyone, and mistakes have gone generally, and any correction you can do it there, then and there. So no pressure, because earlier you do something and it has impact on the game. So that was extra pressure. Nowadays it's very simple. You do something, they will take DRS and it's over.
Umpires often stay out of the spotlight, but decisions are constantly scrutinized. So how do you maintain your focus?
I think the basic thing, it is very easy to say, but the formula is same, one ball at a time. Understanding of the game is very, very important, and umpire should remember we are conducting the game, not controlling the game, and go with the flow and enjoy the game.
Having mentored young umpires, what are the key qualities according to you for young budding?
I think they should work on communication, and when I say communication, very less, to the point, no excessive talking, and use words which every player can understand of every reason. And of course, as I said, fitness, and they should do a lot of umpiring at club level also. When they go for big games, they should do a lot of game on ground, not nets, matches.
So international cricket of this sort is coming after a long time in Goa. So what is your take about this tournament, and what are the facilities and how is the ground?
Brilliant here. I think when we came, I was not very sure that all these players will come. Looking at the poster, I was doing some campaigning also for them, but when I saw everyone is here and the way they are playing, according to the age, putting their full effort, coming to us for small things like a substitute and all. So they are very, very they are playing with passion, and they are enjoying the performance. Fitness can be an issue, but it is same for everyone. But the participation is very good, and Goa is a place where everyone wants to come.
Thank you.